presented by the Montana Television Network. The 5:30 news continues on KPAX, Montana's news leader.
Montana's expanded Medicaid program must be renewed in state law next year to continue covering thousands of low-income Montanans. MTN's Mike Dennison is reporting that supporters of the program are discussing whether to have a voter initiative this year to extend the expansion past 2019.
Montana's Medicaid expansion currently provides basically free health coverage to 91,000 low-income people across the state. But the program is set to expire in June 2019 unless the legislature votes to extend it. Some of its supporters, however, worry the 2019 legislature may not do that, so they're mulling whether to run a ballot measure this year asking voters to approve the extension. State Senator Ed Buttery of Great Falls sponsored the bill in 2015 that authorized Medicaid expansion in Montana. He told MTN News the ballot measure could include reforms of the program and direct lawmakers how to pay for Montana's share of the cost, as much as $150 to $200 million in 2020 and 2021. But he also says no decision's been made on whether to pursue an initiative or what it would contain. The federal government will pay 90% of the program costs as of 2020. The program is bringing in more than $1 billion of federal money into Montana this year and next. Buttery says he'd like to see healthcare providers, health insurers, and some of those covered by the program help pay the state's share. Those discussing a possible ballot measure include hospital officials, healthcare groups, low-income advocates, and Governor Steve Bullock's office. When asked this week about whether he'd support an initiative to extend Medicaid expansion, Bullock would say only that he's had discussions with people about extending the program. If supporters want to qualify the measure for the November ballot, they'll have to act quickly. They need the signatures of at least 25,468 registered voters, and they must turn those in by June 22nd. Mike Dennison, MTN News, Helena.
Temperatures are going to be very cold over the next few nights, but will we see snow? Meteorologist Russ Thomas will have the answer after the break. And one Florida fishing boat is helping a 125-pound reptile recover after being caught in fishing line.